guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this Chanel from one of my favorite companies, Chloe Bags. If you guys aren't new here, I've worked with them so many times on my channel. I love the quality of their bags. They are a high quality rep website that specializes in designer items. So they have Chanel, Louis, Gucci, Dior, just so many different brands on there, and the quality of their items are always so amazing. So we're gonna get into unboxing this one. This is I believe it's the Chanel denim Maxi Hobo, something like that. I'll put the actual name of the bag on the screen for you guys, but let's go ahead and unbox this. This is so cute and I just love it. So comes with the dust bag. Really, it does have like the receipt there. It does have like the little flower decal, the bag, a ribbon, and then if you want to wrap it up nicely, it has that too. So let's just get right into the actual bags. Okay, so this is the bag, you guys. I really like this so much. It's so cute. It's giving like early 2000s vibes, and that style of bags are back in style, the little mini shoulder bags. I think this is so cute. So it does have like the pockets in the front with the CCs on it, and these pockets are actually usable. You can put like very small items in there. And I love like the quilted design on it, really cute. I love this shade of denim. This shade is really cute. I love it. Has the side pockets. Love how it looks in the back, very cute. The chunky chain on here is really cute as well. It's like a brass gold. And then it has the leather strap. Okay, let's get into the inside. So you just zip it. I do still have the stuffing in here. I like that this is more of a flexible bag instead of like the hard leather bags, because for me sometimes I have to carry extra stuff with me on a daily because I have a baby, and I just like that I can have more flexibility to stuff the bag if need be. So it makes a good everyday bag for me, because my other ones I'm limited to the amount I can put in them, but this I can just put more stuff in here. It does have one pocket compartment and one zip compartment. And I feel like it's a pretty good amount of space too. So super cute. Really love this bag. Can't wait to wear it. And once again, Chloe Bags did such an amazing job. I think this bag is so adorable, and I cannot wait to wear her. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this quick unboxing. I will have this bag and the website linked in the description box below, plus a discount code so you guys can save some money off of your purchase. Hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.